guys, it's Gardener Isabella here, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to be good garden explorers. So whenever you're exploring a garden, you want to keep in mind what it is you're looking for. If you're looking for worms, you might want to be looking in the soil, looking in some dirt, especially after it just rained. But since today we've just learned about pollination and pollinators, we want to find some of those. So do you guys have any idea where we might be able to find some pollinators in the garden? A good idea might be on some flowers, because as we've learned, pollinators love going to flowers to get the nectar and pollinating from one flower to the next. So in order to do this exercise and really be good garden explorers, we're going to want a pen, paper, a magnifying glass, and of course, to blend in. Better. Now I can blend in and I can waggle my way over to the bees. You guys remember the waggle dance? Alright, so if you guys come closer, when you use your magnifying glass, you don't want to look at it from straight here, because then you can't really see much. You want to kind of stay a good distance away and play with at what distance you can see what you're trying to look at. Because it's going to look blurry if it's too close to your eye, and it's not going to magnify anything or make it bigger if it's too close to the thing you're trying to see. So you want to play around and see where it's a good distance away from your eye. So what we're looking for is pollinators. Specifically, you can see all over these flowers, we got some awesome bees. So what a good scientist does is they make observations and write them down and try to infer what's happening. So if you guys can see, we have a whole bunch of bees here. Let's see if I can catch one going slow enough that I can observe it through the magnifying glass. Oh, that's awesome. So these bees, you want to come in a little closer. There's a whole lot of them. And you see how they're kind of fluffy? That's so that pollen can get stuck to them and they can move it from flower to flower. You see, the awesome thing is that all of these bees are moving from one flower to the next, to the next, to the next. They don't just stop at one. So they're helping pollinate and helping all of these plants reproduce, so then we have more and more flowers. Isn't that awesome? So why don't you guys take your pen and paper and write down some observations you've made. Maybe follow around one bee from one plant to the next. Maybe count how many bees there are and see what you can learn. Science is all about observing and learning. So I hope you guys have a great day and keep learning.